We'll show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on an iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Do Not Disturb is a feature available on an iPhone and other Apple devices. It will silence all notifications. You can set exceptions for this, but generally, when it's enabled, your notifications will be silenced. When notifications come through on your iPhone, they won't make a sound, and they won't even pop up on your screen either. This can be really useful when you're focused on something and don't want to be disturbed, but you may reach a point where you want to turn this feature off so your notifications can come through normally. So we're going to show you how to do this, and we'll also show you how to stop it if you have it scheduled. So let's go ahead and get started. A quick and easy way to do this is by opening the Control Center. Go to the top right of your iPhone and drag down from the battery area. Then here you can see that mine is currently turned on. You can find your focus modes and you can tap on it. Then tap on Do Not Disturb and it will now be turned off. Similarly, if you want to turn it back on, you can tap on it and it will now be turned on. So you get the idea. Now, if you have a schedule set, which means Do Not Disturb automatically turns on, then what you can do is go into your settings and scroll down. You need to find Focus. In here, you can find Do Not Disturb at the top and then scroll down. Here we have a schedule. You can tap on this and you can delete it at the bottom, or you can simply turn the schedule on or off as well. Once you turn it off, Do Not Disturb won't automatically